Hello guys, this is Jeevan. So our next question is Python loops. So what we have to do in this question is they will be giving a number n. We should print that many number of numbers. What are those numbers? Those numbers are their squares actually. So you can see here in the sample input we will be given number n, that is 5. N 5 means we have to print 5 outputs. So those 5 outputs are not usual numbers. They are not 1, 2, 3. They are squares of them. So obviously 0 square is 0, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. Print 5 numbers, that's it, starting from 0. So what we'll be doing is we'll just run a for loop, that's it, for I in j, for I in range. Actually we have range function, right? We have to start from 0, the starting point, and we have to, where should we end? We should end at n. Okay, what happens is if we end at n, it will not consider the nth number. That means in our example, the n is 5. It will not go till 5. It will stop at 4. Okay, that's why we are taking n. If we want to include the n, we should increment that by 1. That if we take 6, it will go till 5. That is the ending point. And what we have to print? We have to print square of the number. That is I square I power 2, or you can I multiplied by I itself. So what happens is I will be here, I will be 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 actually, 0 1 2 3 4, not from 1, it will start with 0. So what happens is first 0 will go here at ith position, 0 into 0, 0 will be printed, next 1 will go, uh, 1 into 1, that is 1, again 2, 2 into 2 4, again 3, 3 3s are 9, again 4, 4 4s are 16. When it goes back to the loop, it has ended because we can only go till fourth number, as our n number is 5. Even if we want to go to sixth number, then we should add that number by 1. So let's run this code. Yeah, test cases are passed. The remaining test cases are also passed. So this is about loops, and you also know I have already told about range function in my past videos. So check that once. Let's meet in another video with a new question.